Oh, it's an island. It's an island, like New Caledonia, but I think that's we have a lot of lesson to learn from Aruba story. Yeah, I think that we have a common story because we are island, and Aruba have story with Europe, and New Caledonia too have a story with Europe through France. And I think that's when I arrived here, the climate is same climate. I saw that the tourism is very developed here in Aruba. It's one thing we do not reach in New Caledonia to develop our tourism. And I see here that it is the one of the main thing on the Aruba economy. And I think that New Caledonia people, we have to reflect about that and maybe learn how people from Aruba develop their tourism and make people from South America, from United States, from Europe, people from everywhere coming here in Aruba to spend time.